Okay, I'll be making a fluffy hair tutorial today for a little bit longer hair. Enjoy. Okay, the first step is to wash your hair. Towel dry your hair a little bit. Don't do it too rough because that's bad for your hair. Okay, after you towel dry your hair for a bit, you want to start folding it like this. Just do this a few times. Then you want to do this to fluff up your side. Just keep on doing that until it gets fluffed up a little bit. Okay, after doing that, it should look something like this. Since you have to wait for your hair to dry a little bit, you can just do other things to get ready. Also, don't forget to keep on doing this while your hair is drying. That way it will have way more volume when it dries. After your hair finishes drying, it should look something like this. Now it's time to add the hair product. I like to add the wax, just don't use too much, otherwise your hair will get too stiff. Like this is more than enough, otherwise your hair won't be as fluffy. Now it's time to add some finishing touches. And then the end result should look something like this.